What's going on, guys? Coming at you again from the RayTalk channel. Today we're going to be talking about the law enforcement earpieces specifically for security teams. Have you ever seen a wire this thin on an earpiece? The wire is thinner than a strand of hair, just 1.0 mm. Even face-to-face, no one won't notice it. A skin tone finish that blends seamlessly for total stealth. It's got a mini balanced armature speaker for crystal clear team comms. It's so discreet, people won't even realize you're wearing it. Check out this 360-degree and rotatable steel clothing clip. You can run, climb, and chase down suspects. It stays locked on your clothing, no slipping. You'll also get 3 ear tip sizes, so it fits comfortably, no pressure, no fatigue. 24 hours in, your ears still feel fine. And E-47 even includes a wax filter and a hard shell zipper case. Clean, secure, and ready to go. Still using those bulky earpieces with muddy sound? E-47 earpiece, ultra-thin, low-profile, and built to stay put. Trusted by law enforcement teams. Better watch what you say, because the E-47 hears everything. What's your must-have feature in a law enforcement earpiece? Let us know in the comments, and we'll see you in the next one.